Hey guys, it's NoKid from NoKid.com, and this is the Infinix Note 5 unboxing and light review of the latest Android One smartphone from Infinix. Before we begin, kindly hit that red button down below to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified when the next video drops. On the box we have some of the specs on it. When we open the box, we're greeted with the smartphone. Let's go ahead and peel that sticker on the back and on the front. It's a pretty phone, let's set it aside for now. What else do we have? A welcome note from Google, a SIM ejector tool, a user manual, a warranty card, a film screen protector, a smoky silicone gel case. Really nice of them to include this. A quick charger. Nice to know this supports quick charging. A micro USB cable and earphones. Now let's look at the specs. On the front you have a 1080 by 2160 resolution on a 6-inch display, full HD display with an 18 by 9 aspect ratio which boasts of 400 ppi density approximately. On the top of the display you have a 16 megapixel camera with flash, a front firing speaker and notification LED. On the back you have a 12 megapixel camera with 1.25 micron large pixel with dual flash. You also get a fingerprint sensor, and Infinix included their branding on the back as well as the branding of Android One. On the left you have nothing. On the right you have a power button, volume rocker, a 3-in-1 tray that houses two 4G LTE ready nano SIMs and one SD card. On the top of the device there is nothing either. On the bottom you have a speaker, a micro USB port, a microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Infinix Note 5 uses the MediaTek Helio P23 octa-core chipset clocked at 2.0 GHz, Android 8.1 Oreo, and is powered by a 4500 mAh battery, which Infinix says should last up to 3 days. The Note 5 comes in 32GB of storage and 3GB of RAM, but knowing the Note series, there might be other storage variants, not to mention the Pro version which ships with a stylus. The Infinix Note 5's design is a complete overhaul from last year's Note 4. The physical home button has been removed to make room for that Full HD Infinity display. On the back, the camera module has been moved from the center to the left side. The fingerprint sensor has also been moved from the front to the back. About the back, it's extremely shiny. Guess what material it's made of? I'll wait. Still waiting. If you guessed glass, you'd be wrong. It's made of plastic and it's so shiny that fingerprint smudges aren't very noticeable on this guy. I'm not sure how Infinix did this, but it is way lighter than the Note 4 from last year, even with its slightly bigger 4500 mAh battery. The display of the Note 5 is a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, which is better than the HD Plus on the Hot 6 Pro and the Hot S3. It has great viewing angles, a 2.5D glass, rounded corners, and noticeably better screen-to-body ratio than every Infinix phone ever released before it. Now let's talk about Android One. Some may call it stock Android or pure Android. Google says Android One comes with only the essential apps, meaning no XOS UI and no bloatware. The first thing you'd notice is that this is all you get out of the box. The rest of the apps you got to install from the millions of apps on Play Store. If you're coming from an Infinix phone, you'll notice that the back key is where the recent key should be and vice versa. What is the catch with Android One? Here are some of the nifty features of Android One you may or may not know. Better security with regular Google certified updates. Better battery optimization when your phone is in your pocket, a pause which saves battery life. Unlimited photo storage from Google Photos. And maybe the most interesting thing about Android One would be artificial intelligence. It is now embedded into Google Assistant. Now you have a smarter AI Google Lens feature that basically tells you what you're looking at, like texts, products, books, barcodes, notable buildings, etc. Google Lens is also embedded into the camera as well. Speaking of the camera is one of the key selling points of the Note series this year, with its 1.25 micron pixel size, which basically means it's great for low-light photography, and Infinix has used a 12 megapixel sensor on the back and a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. You have all your usual settings including portrait selfie mode and professional mode for the primary shooter only. This is an indoor shot I took in low light side by side with the Infinix Hot S3. The Note 5 is able to focus better on the subject at night. From the selfies you can tell that Note 5 leaves images unprocessed while the Hot S3 smoothens things out. It all boils down to personal preference here. I would be putting the Infinix Note 5 through the battery test while playing an entire battle of PUBG, and of course my full review. Be on the lookout for that video. As at the point of filming this video, the price has not been made available to me, so I'll be leaving that in the description box down below, so do check that out as well. Thanks for watching, and do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It will help my channel, and follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you wish to see what I'm up to. Let me know what devices you would like me to compare it with in the comment section down below. See you in the next one. Peace.